Hello and welcome to our website. Mr. Jeff Hernandez from Bangkok, Thailand. A true story of success told us about the administrators that are legitimate persons. Mr. Jeff Hernandez from Bangkok, Thailand is our best client, and we offer services in the domain of IT, SEO, web design, consultancy, ERP software, CRM applications, custom software, cloud software, e-commerce applications on-premise and online. I explained to Mr. Jeff Hernandez from Bangkok how an ERP software works and played his testimonial. Hello, I'm Jack Fernandez from Bangkok, Thailand, and I run my own business in the distribution of goods and recharge codes for mobile operators. Cloud is an indispensable product for me because basically I replace the post of secretary and accounting where they are over. I'm happy with how I save time and money, getting rid of a lot of trouble, easily operate the application of quality reports. Invoices are automatically generated and printed also automatically with just 2 mouse clicks. You can import data easily and on time. It's a good thing to have Cloud Day. I only need to manage my clients, and this application helps me a lot. Mr. Jeff Hernandez told us about the commissioning of salespeople. For those who want to sell or distribute online recharge codes for mobile operators or any other product, the application is able to import in real-time sales for directly selling online or otherwise. These facilities can be obtained at very low prices. Mr. Jeff Hernandez also considers the following benefits. You can connect your virtual stores to Cloud Day, thus ensuring their management of backend. You can secure access using any mobile device. Cloud Day platform allows you to issue and send invoices, check inventories, and sales reports directly from your mobile phone or tablet. With Cloud Day, you have control of billing activities. If you want to know more about it, please feel free to contact me at publicity.online.2012@gmail.com. And thank you for watching this video.